Power Greens from NSP is the ultimate green superfood for people who move, train, and live an active lifestyle. If you hit the gym, run, cycle, or simply live an active lifestyle, your body works hard every day to recover, protect, and rebuild. Research shows that over 70% of people who exercise regularly still don't get enough green vegetables and plant-based nutrients. These are exactly what help reduce inflammation, speed up recovery after workouts, support immune function, flush out toxins, maintain the pH balance your body needs for peak performance. Power Greens is a blend of 30 superfoods, spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, broccoli, spinach, mint, and more, in every scoop. Just one serving gives you the equivalent of 3 to 4 servings of leafy greens, like piling your plate with fresh spinach, broccoli, and kale, without the extra fibre that can sometimes slow absorption during intense training. What Power Greens delivers: more energy, a lighter, more balanced feeling in your body, reduced cravings for sweets, powerful antioxidant support, faster recovery after training and stress. It's like adding clean, premium fuel to your system and feeling your body perform at its best. Get up to 40% off Power Greens with a quick, simple registration. This is the official channel with delivery straight from the manufacturer. Link below the video.